This sofa bed is such a smart piece for small space living. It starts as an ottoman, then easily opens into a chair, a lounger, or a single bed. So it gives you a lot of function without taking over the room. I also love that it comes pre-assembled, so you can use it right out of the box. The adjustable backrest has multiple positions, which makes it nice for sitting and relaxing during the day. My decorating tip would be to style this in a corner with a soft throw blanket, a pretty pillow, and a small floor lamp nearby so it feels intentional, cozy, and guest-ready instead of just practical. It's a really nice option for apartments, offices, or any room where you want flexibility without clutter. Friendly reminder, I am an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews like this. Thank you so much.